Good morning, student. I am your SST teacher Sandeep Srivastava. Welcome to Gardenia Public School. This is the SST period. Today I am discussing about the history, chapter 5, the name of chapter Vedic period and later Vedic period. Today's topic later Vedic period. Here I will tell you later Vedic period is also known as a epic age because two epics are written during this period. The first one Ramayana and the second one Mahabharata. Ramayana was written by Valmiki and whereas Mahabharata was written by Ved Vyas. Okay, these two epics are written during this period. That is why this period is known as epic age. And more Vedic texts are also written during this period, such as a Upanishad, Brahmanas, and Aranyakas. These are the Vedic texts also written during this period. Here I will tell you the first heading political life. During this period, the small tribal states convert into big powerful state that is known as kingdom, and the head of the kingdom is king. Okay, the king is the became head of the king, and his main function was to protect kingdom from the enemies. And the king was assisted by in administration by the two person like commander and priest. Commander is the head of the army, and whereas priest is the head of the kingdom, which gives the advice. Okay, whenever the need of king, according to need of king, he gives the advice to the king. Here I will tell you the king's position was highest and hereditary, and the king also strengthened the position of performing some types of yag. Here I will tell you as like a Rasui yag, Asumeg yag, and Vajapaya yag. These types of yag performed by the king to show his strength. Okay. Here I will tell you Rasui yag was done to declare the supreme power of the king, whereas Asumeg yag was done to establish his control over all the lands which the horse moved unchallenged. And the third type of yag, the name of yag is Vajapaya yag, was chariot race in which chariot of king always won. These types of yag was performed by the king during the later Vedic period. King also collect the taxes from the people, and that tax were using for constructing road and for the payment of commander also. Okay student, this explanation is also continue in next video. Thank you.